The Hebrew University of Jerusalem awards honorary doctorate degrees to distinguished individuals from around the world. These include those who have significantly supported the Hebrew University and benefited the State of Israel, the Jewish people, and humanity. Through the vision of these revolutionary thinkers, our world has been changed for the better. They've expanded our mindset. They have broadened our horizon. They have opened our eyes to a world of wonder. They have improved our country, our global environment, and our understanding of the universe. They are leaders of the Zionist movement and founders of our university. They are the great politicians of our time who helped broker peace, and no matter where, they stood by our side. They are individuals who applied their expertise to help shape and strengthen our society. They are the celebrated musicians, actors, artists, designers, and directors who kept Israel in their hearts and valued the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and supported its endeavors. They are the writers who captured the complexities of the 20th century and ensured that we would never forget. They are the leaders of the State of Israel, without whom we wouldn't be here today. They strengthened our nation and worked towards a better tomorrow. Since the first honorary doctorate was bestowed over 70 years ago, Hebrew University has welcomed over 575 honorary doctorates into the Hebrew University family. Hebrew University proudly congratulates our newest members of this elite group of dynamic individuals whose impact stretches far and wide. As honorary doctorate recipients of the Hebrew University, you are celebrated today for your past achievements, and we look forward to those yet to come.